Okay, I may have done something a little bit stupid. It's not that stupid, but it's stupid enough to not be a good idea. And that is that I'm doing a half marathon in less than 48 hours. I have done no training for it. I have been injured since the start of the year and haven't really been able to run much at all because of my Achilles, which is kind of a crucial component when you're coming to running. There's also one more thing to add into the mix, and that is that I have a hen do this weekend. So I'm going to be going into this feeling fully refreshed and well rested. But anyway, I am if nothing but stubborn, and I am so ready for this challenge. So I thought you guys could come along for the ride with me. It is currently Friday afternoon. I am about to prepare to go down to Bristol for the hen do. I haven't even packed yet. I also have a slight dilemma re my Achilles. I usually run in these. This is my 6th pair of these shoes. If you're wondering, they are the trail running Pegasus ones from Nike, and I absolutely love them. However, I also think these may be responsible for the issues I've had with my Achilles, and therefore I need to run in my other trainers. The problem with those are that they are very old, currently sitting in my car, and have a hole in the toe. I'm trying to decide whether it's risking running in these or just running in what I know is not going to aggravate my Achilles. This is definitely a head versus heart situation, and I think I'm just going to decide on the day. Anyway, aside from my potentially impending demise, I'm hungry because I've just been climbing, so snack time. I can only say, chef's kiss. Okay, so we have made it to Stratford-upon-Avon. And it was rather successful. I didn't drink anything. I went to bed at a reasonable time. And it was also a good laugh. So exactly what I needed in the run-up to my half marathon. I digress. It is currently about 8 p.m. Nope, it's 7:30. And please don't be deceived by the fancy looking watch like I'm a runner. This is used mainly for hiking. Nevertheless, we have now confirmed it's 7:30 and it's time to get some food. I'm actually being joined here by my friend, my guy friend, Tom. He should be here in the next 20 minutes or so, and we're going to go and find some food, and then it is race day tomorrow. Currently, the body is feeling okay. The Achilles is feeling manageable. I'm going to have an early night, and also the weather has been amazing. So I'm super stoked for another nice day tomorrow. I actually think I got burnt today, and I feel like I've now fully regressed to my original English self after living overseas for so long. Anyway, we'll wait for Tom and then let's go get some food. All right, so it's been a bit of a change of plan. It is now 10:10. We're just sitting down to have some dinner. We've gone for some pizza and we ended up going to this place. The service was incredible. I haven't actually looked at what the pizza looks like yet though. I don't even know what I went for in the end. Oh yeah, this is my one. Gone for chicken. No cheese because I don't eat cheese. It's a sad existence. And Tom went for, 4 meats, right? So this is dinner. I'm going to sit and watch something on TV, eat this, and then get to bed because I've got a race to do in the morning. So yeah, let's eat. All right, race day has arrived. It's Sunday morning. It's 8 a.m. Had some oats for breakfast. I am fueled. I'm ready to go. I just need to go and get my trainers, and then I need to go and get my race pack because I haven't picked that up yet. And that's about 15 minutes away. So I'm going to hustle myself there. And then we'll get to the start line. No, we've got to go and meet Liz first. Then we're going to get to the start line. And let's do this, baby. It's emergency toilet break and we haven't even started yet. And this is the biggest adrenaline sport going because you have to find one that's actually free. How are you feeling, Liz? Nervous. You got this, easy. One kilometre.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tom Wells here, and Lucy's got me here this weekend as the cameraman, but little does she know that while she's running this marathon, I'm hijacking this vlog. I was going to surprise her at the finish line in a makeshift cheerleader costume that I've been making all week. However, Lucy decides to kindly, I suppose, invite me up here last night for dinner. Now I'm left with the challenge of finding a public space to change into a cheerleader outfit. Awesome. But first, breakfast. Let's get it. As it's marathon day, pretty much every cafe here is full. So when in doubt, Greg's. I do have the girls' live location as they're going around the half marathon.
10 kilometres.
I'm trying to track it so I can intercept them in some places, but I've just had a look and they are absolutely miles away from me right now, which I'm low-key gutted about. But this bacon roll is awesome, so that's perked me up.
5 kilometres.
This is me and This is where the girls are. Yeah, I can't see that happening. He has a newfound love for her Croc, so I found a charm store. This just has to happen. There's also cookie dough pies, so that has to be done. So coffee and plants are definitely her thing, and then she's running today, so we got this little flying shoe.
15.
So I was looking for locations that I can change into my costume. There doesn't really seem to be anything, so I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and just get changed in the car. Luckily the car park is pretty dead. In here is where I have stashed the humiliation. I even have a choice of 2 wigs. Okay, let's do this. Cue Mission Impossible or Superman music or something. How do I look? Okay, so this is wig choice number 1. It's cute. And this is choice number 2.
18. 3 to go. No, 4 to go. Yeah, 3 to go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with option 1. Am I pretty? Oh shit, I forgot the name. In the spirit of it being a marathon, we're just pinning this on. I don't know if you guys can hear that marching band, but I feel like it should be wisdom. I need to get back there. The camera ran out of battery and I am really running out of time. I need to get over there. Yeah, I've just checked and they're on the home stretch.
20. Okay, 1 to go.
I have literally nearly the same distance to run as they do. What am I doing? Hello. I know, mate, I know. Oh my God, they're literally almost at the finish line.
200 metres to the end.
I really hope I haven't missed them. Oh, I would call that a success. This is the real test. Can I have an embarrassment level out of 10?
Oh, 0 out of 10.
Oh.
That's what I expect. What, this is how you dress on a daily basis?
Yeah.
Woo!